Children, shall we move on to the revision portion? So, we got the test, isn't it? The question is, write about the preservation method, food preservation method. Write about food preservation method. So, food preservation can be preserved by drying. It is the removal of water content from the food by drying it in sunlight. So, drying means removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. Okay, example grains. Next one is addition of salt. When salt is added to food, it removes the water from the food. When salt is added to the food, it removes the water content. Okay, then fish. Example fish and pickles. Addition of salt. When sugar is added to food, it dissolves in water and water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Example fruit jam, and juices. Okay, fruit juices. Addition of sugar. When sugar is added to food, it dissolves in the water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Example jam, fruit jam. Next one is freezing. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food can be prevented by this method. So microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Example fruits and vegetables. Boiling. Next one is boiling. It kills the microorganism present in the food materials. Example milk and water. Canning and bottling. In this method, food is packed in the airtight cans so that the germs may not enter or grown into them. So example milk powder. Addition of chemical preservation. Chemical preservation are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials, such as examples sodium benzene is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with fruits, dry fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. So sodium benzoate is added with fruit. This chemical is added with fruit so that it might not be rotten. Then sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. So dry fruits means then plum. Okay. Then grapes. Okay. So the dry grapes. These are known as the dry fruits, fruit items. Then fig. These are the dry fruits. Okay. So vinegar is added with pickle. In pickle they use vinegar. Write the advantage of rainwater harvesting. Write the advantage of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting can reduce the flood in the cities. So the rainwater harvesting can reduce flooding in the cities. Rainwater harvesting can reduce topsoil loss. Rainwater harvesting can reduce topsoil loss. Groundwater level can be increased. Here, groundwater level can be increased. Groundwater can be conserved. Groundwater can be conserved means paadagatar. It can improve plant growth. Rainwater harvesting can reduce flooding in the cities. Okay, vellam. Rainwater harvesting can reduce topsoil erosion loss. Groundwater level can be increased. So here groundwater level can be conserved. It can improve plant growth. So children, I hope you will understand this lesson, these two questions. Write a home test in your home. Thank you, children.